Alright, greetings. This is Tom Eckert, and we are coming at you live from Mesa, Arizona, of all things. And just wanted to jump in. Today we're talking about 3DR and some of the awesome things they're doing. I normally wouldn't just say, hey, let's go and read through my email, but I did get a email from Jeremiah, and it's talking about 3DR and AirMap. And what I really liked about that, 3DR is just a class act as far as some of the digital airspace authorization. And so I would jump onto this, subscribe to the newsletters and the e-blast from DJI and 3DR and Sitescan. There's some really good stuff. The other thing that it says, hey dear partners, we integrate with LAANC and AirMap and that. Lots of videos, and then it says it's now live on Sitescan. So then I said, okay, well, let me just check that out. So on your mobile application, obviously you want to check out the AirMap, but on Sitescan what you want to do is find a project or two. Here we've got one in Mississippi on Willow and Jackson. This was a lot of fun. This was a blast. We were flying over here, had no reason, absolutely no reason to be in these projects, and what was it called? Cover? That was it. That must have been it. And so as we're looking at here, and we're looking at some guided workflow, don't forget the ability to do some uploading. Here we've got some ground control points and some overlays, and as we're comparing flights and processing point clouds, you've got the ability to jump in and really make this happen. Pretty excited about what they're doing. We will just use this as a trailer. Stay tuned for next week. Our 3DR Sitescan workflow and how it integrates with BIM 360. Pretty good stuff. This is Tom Eckert. Have a great day.